Hello and welcome to Videocator channel. My name is Mehdi Chalak, and in this short tutorial I'm going to talk about clamp expression. I'm going to bring in a shape layer, scale it down to like 50. So I'm going to ramp up the fill opacity over the time. I'll go to fill, hit double S to solo the properties. I'll open the fill. And for the opacity, I'm going to use time expression. You guys may be familiar with that. So I just type in time, multiply with a number. The bigger number, the faster it changes. It takes 5 seconds to get to 100%. Let's say we just want to ramp it up to 80, and after 80 it just stops. So I'm going to use a clamp expression. I'll pick clamp expression from the expression menu. I'll go to vector and clamp. The time expression disappeared, no worries. I'll type it in again. For the clamp we need 3 items. One is the value, the second one is limit 1, and the third is limit 2. The value is the time that we just defined it. Let's make a variable. I'll say variable t equal to time multiply 20. That's what we already had. And then I'm going to define 2 more things. Limit 1 and limit 2. So let's do the limit 1 first. Limit 1 is equal to 0. For the limit 2, I would say 80. That's the maximum opacity we're gonna have. Okay, let's add t here. And then, see? So it goes up to 80, the limit that we define here. So basically, we need to define 2 parameters. The one is like the minimum and the other is like the maximum. We can change this number. Let's say 30. So after 5 seconds, it hits to that number that we just defined it as a limit 2. So basically, clamps define a range, define 2 limits, a minimum and a maximum. In our case, opacity never goes below or above that amount. So we can define it to whatever we want and keep the value in between. I've already gone ahead and added a random expression to get a different result on different layer. If you guys want to know more about the random expression, check out the other video I got in my channel. So if I duplicate this layer and just move them around, you can see the different result and different fill opacity for each of them. If I select all of them and just hit double E to see the expression, see? I got 62, 44, 47, 20, 33. Alright, if you wanted to see more of these videos, just make sure to hit the subscribe button right below the video. See you soon.